Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Airfiber model and firmware, because settings vary. Next, power down the unit briefly to avoid port errors. Plug one end of a Cat5e or Cat6 LAN cable into the Airfiber LAN port and the other end into your laptop or a switch. Once done, power the Airfiber back on and wait for status lights to become steady. This ensures the physical link is established before you touch software settings or IP assignments. You now set a static IP on your laptop in the same subnet, 192.168.1.10 with a 255, 0 mask so you can reach the Airfiber UI reliably. Open a browser and type the management IP. When prompted, log in with admin credentials. Once inside, go to the LAN or network page and choose whether you want DHCP enabled or bridge mode. Make sure to explain why. DHCP gives automatic IPs, bridge mode passes ISP IPs directly to your device for advanced setups. You finish by saving changes and rebooting the Airfiber so new network settings take effect. Then check the link LEDs and the DHCP lease table to verify your laptop got an IP. Test internet access with a browser and ping the gateway to confirm routing. If things fail, try a different LAN cable, test another LAN port, or revert to DHCP temporarily. As a last resort, use a factory reset, only when you understand it will erase custom settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.